Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable or turn on Apple Intelligence in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to enable or turn on Apple Intelligence for your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing you have to simply open your settings app, and here I recommend you have to try to update your software. So go to general section, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you are on the latest version on iOS. You haven't any pending update for your software. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, just go back from here and here go to Apple Intelligence and Siri option. Select this and here just enable the toggle to enable Apple Intelligence. Just enable that from here and then select talk or type to Siri. Select this option and just enable this option, which is press side button for Siri. So once I've enabled, your Apple Intelligence will be successfully enabled on your iPhone. Now you can enable Siri for your own voice here. Just select this Hey Siri option, and then just continue to this process by saying this on your screen to set up Siri with only for your voice. Or if you don't want to do this, you have to simply go back from here. And I recommend you have to try to make a force restart after enabling that settings. Now to do that, you have to simply quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to just press and hold your power button, and you can see that we have successfully enabled Apple Intelligence with our iPhone. Now you can see here's the orange dot. It means that it's using our microphone or it's hearing which I am saying. So in this way, you can easily enable or turn on Apple Intelligence for your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.